There you go. Hey man, like let's party. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, and we are proud to present the dynamic ECSU Marching Viking Band, the 1984 edition. This theme for today's show is the Viking Sound Spectacular. Now listen to the sounds of the scorpion. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, watch as the Vikings dazzle you with a precision drill to the tune of the scorpion. Wait a minute, we have changed the tune, and it's Irene and Kara with their great break dance. The band is under the field leadership of Mr. Donald Manny Society.
Green light up here. Okay. Greenery.
And now they're lining up for the concert formation. So the man who climbed atop the ladder, the man with the white gloves, Mr. Willie McElroy, taking charge of the band. The band will now soothe your romantic bone with few vibrations. Hit if ever you're in my arms again. Vikings at all. But now the Vikings will really watch out for doo-doo. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, live from their new motion picture, it's the mighty marching Viking band, because they are ready to go crazy. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to get to this thing called life. Electric word, life, that means forever, and that's a mighty long time. But I'm here to tell you, there's something else. The Viking world. Don't tell you just a second. Watch out for the beauty out there at the 50-yard line. The mighty marching Viking band out of City State University. We'd like to thank Livingstone for extending a cordial invitation to us, and we'd like to extend one to them for next year. This is your announcer, Mr. Chuck Berry, doing it one time for Q Site, Molly.